Are you struggling to find new clients for your blind installation business in 2025? You're not alone. The competition is growing, customers are smarter, and traditional marketing methods just aren't enough anymore. But here's the good news. The game has changed, and if you know how to play it right, you can turn your local blind installation service into a client magnet. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the business for years, today I'm going to show you a proven step-by-step system to get more clients, build trust, and grow your reputation. Even if you have a small marketing budget, stay with me till the end. Step 1. Understand your ideal customer. Before you start chasing clients, ask yourself, who are you really trying to serve? Most blind installation businesses make the mistake of marketing to everyone. But when you try to please everyone, you attract no one. In 2025, the most successful service businesses are laser focused on their ideal customer. Maybe it's homeowners in upscale neighborhoods, maybe it's small businesses or offices that need privacy and style. Define it clearly. Once you know who your target market is, your marketing message becomes more direct, more relevant, and more powerful. Create a client persona that includes age, income level, home type, and lifestyle. This will help you create marketing that feels personal and real. Step 2. Build a professional online presence. Let's be honest. If you don't have a solid online presence in 2025, your blind installation business is invisible to 90% of potential clients. Start with these essentials. A clean, mobile-friendly website with images of your past work. A request-a-quote form that's easy to fill out. Google Business Profile with accurate info and real customer reviews. Active presence on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and even Pinterest? Yes, people look for blind ideas there. Keyword naturally inserted, blind installation business. Show your face, share photos of your recent work. Add a few short videos showing your installation process or before-after transformations. People trust people, not faceless logos. Step 3. Use local SEO to get found. Your potential clients are searching terms like blind installation near me, home window blind installer, best blind installer in your city. If your business isn't showing up when they search, you're leaving money on the table. Here's how to fix that. Optimize your website and Google Business Profile with location-based keywords. Add keywords like blind installation business in city naturally in your site content. Collect and respond to reviews. They boost your local ranking. Post updates regularly on Google Posts. Even short ones help. Bonus tip. Use platforms like Yelp, Angie, and Houzz to get listed for free. These are gold mines for local service businesses. Step 4. Build trust with reviews and testimonials. Think about it. When's the last time you hired a service without checking reviews? In the home improvement services space, trust is everything. Ask your happy clients to leave honest reviews on Google, Facebook, and Yelp. Even 1 or 2 good reviews can lead to new clients. And don't just collect them. Show them off. Feature them on your website, social media, and marketing flyers. Step 5. Offer special deals to first-time customers. This strategy still works in 2025, if done right. Run limited-time offers like 10% off for first-time customers. Free consultation for the first 10 bookings. Bundle offer for multiple windows. These offers attract new clients while giving you the chance to prove your value. And once they see your work, they'll refer you and come back for more. Make your offer easy to redeem. Include a QR code or a link to a simple booking form. Step 6. Partner with interior designers and contractors. Want a steady stream of clients without spending extra on ads? Partner with professionals who already work with your target customers. Interior designers, real estate agents, and home renovation contractors. Offer them a referral fee or simply build a mutual partnership. When they trust your work, they'll recommend you again and again. Keyword naturally inserted home improvement services. This strategy turns one connection into potentially dozens of jobs. Step 7. Create short educational videos. In 2025, content is king, and video is the king of content. Create simple, smartphone recorded videos like how to choose the right blinds for your living room. Top 3 mistakes to avoid when buying window blinds. Behind the scenes, how we install blinds in 1 hour. Post these on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. You'll build trust, show off your knowledge, and stay top of mind. Videos don't need to be perfect. Just be helpful, real, and consistent. Step 8. Follow up like a pro. Most business owners lose clients because they don't follow up. If someone asks for a quote and doesn't respond, follow up in 1 or 2 days. A gentle, friendly message can be all it takes to close the deal. Use tools like WhatsApp Business, Gmail templates, or customer relationship apps like Jobber or Housecall Pro to make this easy. Following up shows professionalism, and that can make all the difference. Step 9. Collect emails and build a list. Don't let leads go cold. If someone visits your site or asks a question, get their email. Then send monthly updates, before/after photos, tips on home decor, and seasonal discounts. Over time, this builds a relationship, and when they're ready, you'll be the first one they call. Use free tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit to start. Step 10. Ask for referrals the smart way. Here's a fact. Happy clients love to help, but you have to ask. After a successful installation, ask them, do you know anyone else who's looking for new blinds? You can even offer a small thank you gift like a discount on their next service or a $10 gift card for every referral. Referrals cost you nothing and bring in clients who already trust you. So, there you have it. A complete step-by-step guide on how to get clients for your blind installation business in 2025. If you apply even a few of these strategies, you'll start seeing real results. More leads, more calls, and more booked jobs. And if this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I post real-world strategies for service-based businesses that want to grow without wasting time or money. Thanks for watching. Now go turn those leads into loyal clients.